good afternoon. I'm already here at Brow House Trinoma. They just opened a new branch and magpapagawa tayo ng ating lashes and kilay. This is one of the best talagang brow salons ever. And sobrang dream ko lang to and I'm really happy na they invited me. So ayan, medyo matagal-tagal itong process kasi 1 hour yung sa lash extensions and then yung sa brows naman. Kaka-pluck ko nga lang nito so tingnan natin kung paano nila gagawin. But they are the best. So, ngayon, tutulog muna ako dito and I'll update you guys later. But I'll just tour you around for a bit. This is how the salon looks like. Ayan. So, Brow House Manila. That's me. So, ayan siya. Dito lang siya sa may baba beside Toast Box and Contis. Tapos, ito yung mga stuff nila. They're really organized. Tignan nyo naman yung gamit, guys. Ayan. So, you get what you pay for. And then, itong seat, it's from the business class ng Singapore Airlines. So, sobrang amazing talaga and really unique. So, yan guys. I'll be starting now and I'll see you later. Ni Ate Isa. Ayan, ni Ate Isa yung aking brows. Kasi na-pluck ko na to last week. So, yan. Inano lang siya. So, kailangan patubuin. Ayan, ganda. Naman gagawin yung lashes ko. Nakakaloka, bumili pa ako ng makeup remover. Kaya ayan, tanggal din yung makeup ko. And guys, so I'm done. Thank you, Ate Isa. Siya yung gumawa. So, pupunta kayo dito. Visit yung brow house and hanapin niyo si Ate Isa. Siya yung gumawa sa brows ko and sa akin napakagandang eyelash extension. So, wala talaga akong maramdaman. So, amazing. Thank you, Ate. Sinong nakita ko? Vlogception. Andito ka pala. Ikaw pala siguro yung maingay, no?
Okay, nag-iingay.
Nagpagawa ka na ba?
Not yet, girl. I'm so excited. So, kailangan ba ka makeup?
True.
So, you have your eyeliner. So, you can use this as an eyeliner and an eyeshadow, but you have to be fast. If you're gonna use it as an eyeshadow, there's a smudger at the end. Then you have your brow lead. This is like the brow pencil for dummies. Any person, even if you don't know how to draw brows, and this will work on you.
Aloe Cool is actually nice as an overnight mask after a Brazilian.
Or for sunburn, skin.
Try. So yeah, we're here inside. Ito yung mga makeup. Notice my favorite cushion. Ayan. Anong shade to? Ginger. Then ito yung mga gusto ko i-try. Yung Blur Pang ng Peripera. Yung bestseller nila na eyeliner.
Fun day, K-Beauty Transformation. Who's up for that? Okay, I love the people there. Alright, so we're gonna meet new people, learn the hottest trends in Korean beauty.
Kain muna kami. Umalis kami doon dahil kailangan na namin kumain. So, kasama si Ana.
Si Troy. Ano bang ginagawa nating dahilan si Troy?
Ayan, si Troy Chi. Ay, gutom na. Troy, gutom ka na ba?
Hindi pa. Pero may angle.
My favorite. So cool.
Inanyan ko siya kasi parang may angle din yung food. Siyempre mag-food at may...
So yan guys, nandito na kami sa Club Clio. Wala pa sila. Third. Tapat ng top shop. So ayan ang nudism line. Yan. Oni, Gong Eugene. Here at Introspect and Miss Kayan. So, siya lagi nag-invite sa akin dito. And we'll be doing Brazilian. Wow, yan. So, ganyan yung hair ko. Let's see later. Kung mag-i-itsura niya. So, shampoo muna, no?
Yeah.
Ito yung third shampoo na ibababa din siya for 3 minutes. Hi guys, so I'm finally home and tapos na yung treatment ko. I need to go to sleep now kasi I still have work later. But this is how it looks like. Sana magtagal siya kasi usually nung nagpa-Brazilian blowout ako, saglit lang talaga. But this one is the original one. It will last 12 weeks daw. So mga 3 months. So let's see. Sobrang bagsak lang niya syempre kasi kakatapos lang siya planchahin and all. Ayan, so I just have my concealer and then yung lash extensions ko, okay pa naman siya. I really love it kasi sobrang light niya talaga as in wala akong nafe-feel. And also, I got a package from Maybelline. It's all about their brow products. So, papakita ko sa inyo. This one, I love this. This is their new product. Itong tatlo. Ito yung parang volumizer and then yung pomade and then yung fashion brow na bago. And this one is one of my favorite brow pencils ever. So, ayan, I might do a giveaway. Actually, I will be doing a giveaway kasi ang dami ko na nito. So, ayan, watch out for that. So, finally here sa Shiseido. And look who I'm with again. Jenza. Araw-araw yan ito. Oo. So yeah, nandito lang kami nakakinig sa workshop. Tapos, and mga booth. And then, ito yung makeup workshop. Skincare din. Supportive boyfriend over there. Nanonood dyan sa taas. Food. Macaron. Hello! Ganda oh. Anong lipstick mo? Ano yan?
Nag-isip ko. Yung Oprah X Nikki collaboration. COVID.
So, we'll have the facial right now. Tanggalin yung makeup. Tapos, pa-glow talaga. Alam niyo naman ako when it comes to skincare. So, sinanggal siya lahat. Sobrang ganda sa skin. Grabe. Ano ba? Parang may sipon. Ayan. Thank you.
Drink mo na yung lipstick.
Kain kami ng yogurt. My favorites. We're on our way home. Magdi-dinner tayo na. Si birthday na. Thank you! At hinatid mo ako dito. So yan, kinakain ko lang tong yogurt ko. Tapos napa-Watson's Hall patuloy ako. Dapat ang bibilin ko lang is yung Infallible. Kasi naka 50 off sila from 700 to 350. So we're here at Torch for this birthday dinner. Yan, isip lang kami ng order and done eating. Happy birthday! At wala pa akong tulog since kahapon. Yung mata ko ang pula-pula na. Tapos tomorrow, alis naman kami papuntang Batangas. So, tingnan natin kung makaka-vlog ako na. That ends today's vlog. Bye! Bye! Bye!